Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my video for the BLACK+DECKER Crisp and Bake French Door Air Fryer Oven. Wanted to give this a try because I was looking for a new toaster oven, and I thought I'd start off this video with a quick unboxing. As you can see, this came really well packaged, and it comes with all of the trays, the grates. It also has, it was taped really well, so nothing's going to open up in transit, and I was very pleased with how it was packaged. Inside, it has its little air fryer tray and a drip pan. Perfect setup. All right. So this toaster oven from BLACK+DECKER is just amazing. It has these presets already through it. You have a convection bake, you have a broil, preheat, warm, bake, air fry, toast, roast, pizza, fries, bagel, snacks, and then you can just dial in to the selection that you want. And I don't know if what I'm seeing on my camera is actually translating right for you guys, but you can dial into the selection that you like, and it's already set for you. So bagel, 4 low, that's just set, and then all you have to do is hit start. You could adjust your time, or if you want, I'm gonna bake some cookies. Okay, and so I'm on bake at 350. Now you can adjust your temperature. So for bake, you can adjust your temperature if you want, or you can also set your time. So I'm going to do 10 minutes here. So I'm going to bake something for 10 minutes at 3, and I'm going to start. And then it's going to go into a preheat stage where it's going to warm up and get ready to go. And then when it's done, it's going to cancel. It's going to stop the cycle, so you're not going to overbake. So that's really cool. So this is working right now. Once it's ready, I'm going to put the cookies in, and I'll show you the results of after we're done. Okay, the cookies are done, and look at that. Oh my gosh, these are my breakfast cookies. They have cinnamon, apple, coconut, oats, peanut butter, all kinds of goodies in them. Raisins. Great breakfast cookie, and they're designed to come out this dark. So they're still super gooey on the inside, and this thing performed super well, and I'm really pleased with how it comes out. I can't wait to try more things with it, and I hope this video review helps you in your decision to picking up one of these. Thanks so much for watching.